Been to pick up the Tiguan from the main dealers. It's still on the warranty, and there's been a rattling noise when driving and lack of power. I got a phone call after it being in for 3 days saying they found the problem. It's the IVAC pipe. So I thought, interesting. So I googled it, and it did say it can cause a rattle and cause performance problems. It's part of the bloody breather system. So it's been in there for 6 days today, and I've just been to pick it up, and this is the sound it's making. Bear in mind, it's never made this noise on tick over. It's got like a metallically whine to it now. The whole thing sounds terrible. It sounds like it's lacking power as well. But it did have a little bit of a rattle, like a heat shield or exhaust rattle when setting off and driving. Not all the time, but sometimes. Now it's doing it from cold on tick over. So I don't know what they're going to do with it. I mean, it's a good job I recorded it, because when I went in there and showed them the little video, what you guys can see now, they come out of the head mechanic come out to it at the back on the car park, and he said, "There's nothing we can do. We can't hear it. We can't find it." So, but that's not good enough. I've left the car with them. I've been polite. I want to try and keep them on side, so I don't want to be nasty with them. But they said they fixed it. So what they've done, they've fixed one problem and created another one. I don't know what's going on. But it did have like a similar sound before, but now it's got like a naughty sounding, like a metallically sound now, rubbing or winding or grinding. I don't know what it is. Anyone got any thoughts? Would be very, very much appreciated. Thank you.